Hey guys, welcome back to your Engineer YouTube channel, and we are here presenting the course on HTML and CSS. This is lecture number 11 and we are going to talk about list here. So what is list in HTML? Let's see. So in HTML there are two kinds of list. Ordered list and unordered list. Now we will see what is ordered list and what is unordered list. So I recommend let's create another file name list.html. Now here we'll start with a basic. Now in body I am going to write, let's see, courses. In H1 I am going to provide courses provided by your engineer. Now the tag of unordered list will start with unordered list. Unordered list tag will start with UL. Inside this we will use the tag li. In li we will write every content we want to insert in our list. So let's say I am going to put JavaScript React.js, Vue.js, Angular.js. So let's save it and run it on live server. So once I run it, you can see there a list has been created with 4 entry, that is JavaScript, React.js, Vue.js and Angular.js. Now here we can see that annotation is in circular form. It's like a filled circle form. Now if you want to change it, you can change it by giving attribute of type. So in UL I can give different attributes, like first it should be circle. I can give circle. So once I give circle, you can see that this is unfilled circle. Now if you want it as a square, you can give it as a square. If you want a square, you can add it square. If you want nothing, you can give nothing. So this is how unordered list work. But when you give for the ordered list, you have to use the tag OL in place of UL. And in case of OL, you can see the order will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Everything is will be in an order and annotated by 1 to 4 or alphabetically or numerically. So here we can again change our type. So default type is always numericals, but if we want to change our types, we can give type equal to capital A. If we give type equal to capital A, save it, you can see that we have our list with annotation A, B and C, D in capital. Now if you want to change it, we can give the annotation as small a. Then it will change into small a, b, c, d. Now if you want it to be changed in Roman number, we can simply put a small I. Save it, and you can see that it will be in Roman number. So that's how ordered list and unordered list work in HTML. You can use this list to prepare some menu, some courses, or whatever information you want to give your user in your website. So that's how lists work. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned, like it, comment on it, and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.